If you've searched how to buy shares of Smith Nephew plc, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Smith Nephew is a global medical technology company listed on NASDAQ as SNN US. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a licensed broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform's search bar and type the ticker SNN US to find Smith & Nephew. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you locate the correct share. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart. Check that the company name and NASDAQ ticker match so you are on the correct listing. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to learn more about the platform.